Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and I have the whole day to explore. And you, my little friend, will help me find the best coffee shop in the city. That's strange. Work, please. Hello? Phone? No. No, 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 no! This is a disaster. Without my phone, I have no maps, no translator, no photos. I don't even know what time it is.
Okay, Ralph, you are a smart man. You teach math. You can figure this out. Just find a repair shop. How hard can that be?
This should be easy. There are plenty of shops here. Let's see what I can find if I head north down the road. Excuse me, sir, do you know where I can find a phone repair shop?
Yes, over there, whatever.
I think I will ask someone else. Those directions weren't clear. Excuse me, ma'am, do you know where I can fix my phone?
Phone? Oh, yes. I know phones. My grandson has a phone. He shows me pictures of cats. Do you want to see pictures of cats? Let me show you my cat, Fluffy. This is Fluffy eating. This is Fluffy looking angry.
Those are very nice cats, but I really need to find...
Oh, this is Fluffy with a hat. My grandson put a tiny hat on Fluffy. And this is Fluffy sleeping. This is Fluffy stretching.
Well, that was interesting. There's got to be a mobile repair shop somewhere. Who put this sign here? This is ridiculous. I'm close. I can feel it. Yes, a phone shop. Finally. What is this place?
Welcome to my gallery. Phones, a modern tragedy. I explore the relationship between humans and technology through art.
I thought you fixed phones here.
Fix phones? Oh, no, no, no! I capture phones in paint, in clay, in recycled pasta.
That's very creative. Is that spaghetti?
And macaroni. It represents our dependence on technology.
Very interesting. Very deep. But I need to find a real repair shop, with tools and not pasta.
Oh, there is a real repair shop 3 streets that way, next to the big clock tower.
Really? Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good luck with your phone.
Okay, so now I will head west. I need to focus. No distractions. I can do this. Okay, maybe one small distraction.
Hello! You look hungry. Try my famous noodles.
Those look beautiful, but I don't have any cash, and my phone is dead, so I can't pay online.
No problem. You can pay me later. You have an honest face.
Really? You trust me? You don't even know me.
The city is big, but people are kind. You look hungry. I have food. Simple.
Oh my goodness, this is incredible. What's the secret ingredient?
Love and garlic. Mostly garlic.
This is nice. No phone, no emails, just noodles and kindness. I promise I will come back after I fix my phone.
I believe you. Good luck with your phone.
Okay. Clock tower, turn left. I can do this.
Look out! Move! Coming through!
Ah, which way? Left? Right? Ah! No, no, no! I'm okay. I think I'm okay. Is anything broken?
I'm so sorry. I don't know what I was thinking.
My phone! It's more broken now.
I'm so sorry. Are you hurt? I was going too fast.
I'm fine. Just leaves, and my phone was already broken. Now it's just extra broken.
Oh, that phone model. My uncle can fix it. He has a repair shop.
Really? Where?
Past the clock tower, turn left, then go straight. Look for the shop with the giant phone sign.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope your packages are okay.
You're very welcome, sir.
Have a good day.
Goodbye.
All right, there's the clock tower. I have no idea what time it is. Is it morning still, afternoon? 11 o'clock. Without a phone, I'm like a caveman.
You know, people used to check the time like this every day before phones. Have a seat, young man. Tell me what's on your mind.
My phone broke this morning, and I feel completely lost without it.
Lost? Or maybe found? Look around you. What do you see?
I see people living, enjoying the day.
Usually tourists just look at their phones. They miss everything. But you are looking at real life.
I didn't have a choice. My phone is dead.
Sometimes the best adventures happen when things go wrong.
Thank you. I needed to hear that.
Farewell, young man.
Phone repair shop. Phone repair shop. It has to be here somewhere. Bakery, bookshop, no phone repair. Keep walking, Ralph. Where is the phone shop? Did I turn the wrong way? Okay, this is not good. Which way now? Excuse me, I'm looking for a phone repair shop. Do you know where it is?
Phone repair, phone repair. Ah, you mean Uncle Chen's place?
Yes, I think so. With the big phone sign?
Yes, that's the one. Go down this street, maybe 2 minutes walking. You'll see it on the right side. He has a big sign. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Finally!
Good luck. Uncle Chen is the best. He can fix anything.
2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. I'm almost there. That's nice. Maybe I'll have coffee like that someday. Almost there. There it is, the giant phone sign. It's real. It exists.
Whoa, hello! Are you okay?
My phone, it's dead and cracked. Can you fix it?
Let me see. Dead screen, small crack. I think I know the problem.
Can you fix it? Please say yes. Please say yes.
Yes, I can fix this. The battery is dead and the screen needs a small repair. Easy work.
Thank you. Thank you. How long will it take?
45 minutes. You can wait here or explore the neighborhood. There's a nice park nearby.
You know what? I'll explore. This day has been strange, but also kind of wonderful.
Good choice. Life is not just inside a phone. Come back in 45 minutes.
Without my phone, I noticed more things today than I notice in a normal week.
Duck drama. I would never see this on my phone.
I wonder what he's drawing.
Just a little more shade. Almost there.
Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but that's a beautiful drawing.
Thank you, that's very kind.
I love to paint and draw too.
Oh, really? That's fantastic. When I draw, I really see things. The colors, the shapes, the light.
My phone broke this morning. At first I was so stressed, but now I think it was a gift. I saw more, talked to more people, experienced more. What a wonderful day.
It really is.
Thanks for the chat. Take care now. Goodbye. Now to complete my mission.
Perfect timing. Your phone is fixed. New battery, screen repaired.
It works. Thank you.
Let me guess. You learned something today about life without a phone?
Yes, I met kind people. I saw beautiful things. I even made a new friend.
The phone is a tool. It should help you live, not replace your life.
I'll remember that. Thank you for fixing my phone and for the advice. Now I've got some things to take care of. I've got to keep my word to my new friend. I can see the tower. I'm almost back in the town square. Hey, I did it!
Way to go!
Hey, I'm back.
Good to see you.
My phone, it's working again. I can pay you back now. And this is extra for trusting a stranger.
Thank you. Safe travels, my friend. Until we meet again.
What a day. I will never forget it, even though I don't have a single picture of it on my phone.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more A2 level slow English stories and shadowing practice. See you in the next one.